Hey, it's Nicole from Let Nicole Help, and in this video, I just wanted to share a little bit about the latest and greatest that I'm seeing from Flodesk, the email marketing platform that I use in my business and that many of my clients also use. So I've done some other videos about the integrations, the beautiful forms and workflows and things, and I, I wanted to come on and record another video because they've continued to implement more integrations and more cool features that I just had to share. And so let's dive right. So previously I had shared, but they were still worth mentioning is the Instagram, Shopify, Canva, Squarespace, and Wix. So many integrations there alone, but then two more that are awesome to hear and learn about is MiniChat. I don't actually use MiniChat, full disclosure, yet, but that's like totally a platform that I would love to use one day. But to see that it's an integration here with Flodesk is huge because of what MiniChat does. It adds people to your list and so no apps needed or anything. The other one that I'm so excited about is ThriveCart. So that is the checkout and course platform that I use as well. So I'm so excited to now do abandoned cart workflows and purchase follow-ups right from Flodesk and utilize all their beautiful templates based on what's going on in ThriveCart. So I was so happy to see that, and I cannot wait to get in there and make all that happen. But another thing I just wanted to share is about having been a partner now for a while about with Flodesk. I just wanted to share, like, I love so much about how they are in it to support small businesses, and that means a lot to me as a small business solopreneur. And a lot of the clients that I work with, I think that really shows through as well in everything they do. So I do love to see that. And if you're on their website, in fact, if I click over here, you can see in their resources, they've got, of course, their blog, but they've also got a Flodesk University with free videos to learn about email marketing. So generous with their knowledge, which I think is fantastic. And another thing that stood out to me when I revisited the website, they're finding that Flodesk emails get 17% more eyes. And you know what? I believe this because I've just done some recent data exploration on all of the emails that I'm sending for my clients. And I was shocked to see that the emails from Flodesk literally get twice as many clicks as, well, the emails from the marketing platform that's being used. So I just couldn't believe that. And in fact, I would love to know, drop a comment if you would like to see some kind of like dashboard or report about some of these findings. I want to dig in further and look at all of the stats, open rates and all that, comparing Flodesk to the other platform. So do let me know, and I will make sure you know when that's out. But I was just stunned to see that stat, and it just made me more and more impressed with Flodesk. It just basically solidified my love for them. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.